Alright guys, can you guys hear me? Alright, hold on, let me see. You guys can hear me? That's weird. Let me see. Yo. Alright. So you guys can still hear me? I don't get how you guys can hear me, that's weird. We can hear you, Mikey. Yeah. Yeah. Hold on, let me see, that's weird. I don't get how you guys can hear me, that's weird. Yeah. Oh, I know why. Never mind. I'm so dumb. Check kick. I already checked kick, Brody. I saw it. Hold on. I didn't watch the video yet, though. Hold on. Alright, give me 1 second. Okay, check kick. Alright, checking it. I didn't watch your video, so let me go ahead and watch your video real quick. Logan.
You want to take a nap? Okay, take a nap right there.
Oh my god, Hector. Oh my god. Oh my god. You're fucking funny, bro. Alright. Alex, smiles. All smiles, guys. Where was the guy that asked me? Daniel, you asked me why I don't stream onto my main channel. I will soon be streaming on my main channel. Trust me, I'm fucking battling something right now, and I hope it goes my way, because I am in the right. Just dealing with YouTube's slow as response. So, once it gets fixed, I will definitely be streaming onto my main channel, and I definitely will let all you guys know. I might have to leave soon. I feel you, Maria. No worries. It's okay. You know, I know it's really late where you live at, so no worries, okay? You're not gonna, I won't be sad, I promise. I know you got stuff to do. So yeah. God. I don't want to have to leave tomorrow, you said. Hey, you said my last name right. I don't want to have to leave tomorrow. God, it's gonna suck. That sucks. I'm gonna have to leave tomorrow, come back on Monday, and I'm gonna have to leave on Saturday or Friday again. So, oh, that's so stupid. Wait, actually, I might have to leave Thursday. I don't know. Let me check. Hopefully, Friday is not the 4th. If Friday's the 4th, hold on. Calendar. Yeah, Friday's the 3rd, so I'm gonna have to leave Friday. It's gonna suck. Hey, everyone. Okay.